Hey guys, welcome on the MiniCourseX AI launch. I'm Dipankar Rajora and behalf of Lavneet Rajora. So we are presenting the demo of MiniCourse AI today. So what you are seeing right now is the dashboard. It's looking very beautiful. I know, yeah. So here you can see number of sales, number of courses, number of mini courses you have done, and number of blocks you have done, and number of enrollments you can see here, right? So let's start with the features. Okay, first of all, we have a mini course creator where you can create PDF kind of courses, okay, which are basically static, and that's are more and more consumption of these kind of courses is very high. So you can see these courses we have created, okay, with just a keyword. Okay, for example, let's come here and let me click on how to make money online with AI. Okay, so you can upload any notes if you have, like, you can just give the brief or something, or maybe you can just type the text and just choose the language: English, Spanish, German, Italic, Arabic, Hindi, whatever. And then after that you can just hit generate course, and in just few seconds the course will be ready. Okay, and it's quick. So that's why we are saying mini course. And this mini course is basically, you can charge whatever you want. Charge is based on a demand what you need. Okay, so it's working. So it's real. Okay, you can see it's not even done a minute. Okay, it's less than a minute. It has been ready. Now let's check this out. Okay, so the thumbnails is already created. Okay, the content is already created. When I click the preview, you can see the course here, which is ready. Okay, and so let's come to the video course. Here you can give the title like same, how to make money online with AI. Okay, you can choose font. Okay, and here you can see the font preview as well. For example, so it's okay, so you can see what kind of font going to be appear after the text is coming. Okay, you can choose the font color. Let me just keeping for now black. And then you can use color as a background, or you can choose as an image as a background, or you can choose even a video as a background. Okay, so for now let me choose a color. So I am choosing plain white color. Okay, you can choose any color. I can choose white color, and after that the text will be black, and it's a simple white with the black text combination. It's a very sleek course will be up here. Okay, if you want some engagement, or like want to fill something, you can choose any image as a background and you can use it. Okay, and then, or obviously you can choose the video. You can upload any background video here. Okay, and in between I'm just choosing for now the color. In between you can put the animation between the slided, like fade in, fade out. Okay, that kind of effect. And you can choose voice language over 20 plus 30, almost 20 to 30 plus languages. Okay, so you can see which language you want to choose. So you have no barrier about the languages. You can use any of the language your course will be built. Okay, and there is some sample you can just preview. Hi, my name is Ivy. She's sound like a kid. Hi, my okay. Name is Ivy. I will read any text you type here. I will read any text you type here. So Joanna, so here we have Kimberly. My name is Kimberly. I will read any text you type here. Okay, so now let's hit the micro course content creator. Let's click on that, and the same title what we have is how to make money online with AI. Okay, you can choose creativity level: high, average, and high. Okay, I'm choosing high. Let's generate content. It's just creating content for you, just processing that, arranging according the voice and everything. Okay, so you can see the slides what we have. You can check. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it. Okay, or when you click on this arrow button, this will be import in our slides. Okay, so you can see all slides has been ready. Got it? And now you can choose the voiceover. I'm just choosing Zoana, and then I'm click on the create video. Okay, so whatever settings we have choose, it's processing at the backend, and then after some time the course will be ready and it's done. Okay, it will is on processing right now, and so you can see there's a few courses we have just generated. Okay, so it will be generated in some time. Okay, and now you can see like these kind of courses. What we have done right now is just like click the preview. You can get the mp4, so you can just download and you can upload in your course area. Okay, so you can just click and play and it will be stuck.
Welcome, future marketing maestros. Today, we are unlocking the secrets of
So actually text can be choose accordingly, that is a little bit just overwhelming, but yeah, it's nice. So you can see the results are very good. Okay, and now let's back to the special feature which we are going today is is giving today is basically a thumbnail creator. Okay, so for these courses, okay, you can change thumbnails when when we will publish the course. I can show you the marketplace as well. You can see here. So this is basically the AI marketplace what will be generated, and then just a few settings and your marketplace will be done on your domain as well. Okay, so you can see the layout, you can change the background, you can choose the courses what you want to preview. So these courses actually we have just choose to show on the marketplace. We have user prices, uh, so this Canva courses or something into to AI. You can customize these courses according you. Then even you can just compare as well, like with the other course here. Okay, and there's the blog. What we have created, the blog is showing here. Okay, so this is beautiful looking marketplace is almost ready to sell. Just need to drive traffic and that's it. Okay, so if we just user will click here, it will just purchase and that's it. Okay, so first the add to cart, you have to create the account obviously, then you can then user can purchase. Okay, there's the whole details, there's the cover image and everything, and you can see the preview of the course as well.
Hi everyone, Kevin here.
So basically this is the course we have added from the outside. This is not the AI generated, by the way, so don't need to have misguide from that. So this is course, basically you can also upload course here. Okay, so that's what I'm showing here. There is a logo as well, so I'll show you the settings what going to have on the marketplace. So now, so in the for the thumbnail creator, I'll show you like how to make money online with AI. Okay, so let's see what it will be generate. So in just few seconds the thumbnail generation will be ready. Okay, it's done. Unlock AI profit. Sometimes AI is generating, so maybe it can be little bit tricky, but yeah, you can just do it again and you will get the best result today. Okay, so whatever topic you will give to the thumbnail generator, it will be appear on your image. Okay, but this is generating from the AI, so sometimes we have to regenerate and you will get the best results, I'm sure. Okay, so you see make money online with AI, it's looking very beautiful and you can click here, watch now, right? So with call to action, with the proper background image and with the eye catchy text, okay, your thumbnail is ready and you can download it. So now let's move to the AI store, where I'll just show you the store as well. You can click the I button, you can see the preview of your courses, like that. And there is a setting like you can easily customize your store, like headline, about section, terms and condition, privacy policy, everything you can do here and it will be updated on your page. Okay, everything. So it's very easy, you can edit at one place, no any other builder required, not even any website required, no any coding. Just simply you can give the inputs and your store will be done. Okay, you can customize as whatever you want. This is a cover image. So let's come to the back, and now let's click here. So this is the custom domain setting where you can add your domain, where it's mentioned like don't need to use http, just as like it's maybe like my course empire.com. Okay, and then just few setting at your DNS record, and then your site will be up on your domain. Okay, click here this icon, it will be customize your logo and your fave icon. Okay, you can see the fave icon here, and you can update this logo as well from this button. Okay, you can give a name and you can give the description of your store. Okay, so also one more thing, we have given the feature to give the certificate. Okay, this is exclusive feature which you are getting today, and this is basically you can customize your certificate with name and detail something, which course he applied for, which course he actually qualified, and which who's the person. And this is basically a lots of sites are charging hefty fees for this to creation the certificate. So this is the feature you will get to create, you can you can create the certificate as well. Okay, so now let's move to the course manager. I'm just giving the course manager overview where all courses you can see it's adding process. Okay, where you can see like how many courses has been added and active. So it's basically just add new course, and there's few setting, it's little bit time taking, but yeah, you can understand like what is going to be happen. Okay, so it's a, you have to choose which domain, because you just not add a single store, you can add multiple store here. So whatever courses you are creating, you can choose which site. For example, if I'm want to create a marketplace for money making courses, or maybe if I'm creating courses for like self help or motivation something, so I can keep the different URL, different website, or different marketplace for it, so I can do easily. Okay, so I can choose which website I want to update, which store basically which I want to update. You can choose the which kind of label, because this is a course part. So as a someone is coming or someone can watching your course, you can see okay, this is beginner level or this is advanced level, this is a ordinary courses settings. Okay, which I'm sure you're aware about it. But yeah, we have almost everything which you require to edit a course or edit a course on your marketplace. Okay, so this fill up once done, the pricing setup, the media, this you can use the preview, you can use overview URL, you can upload the YouTube link. And then there's a meta keyword, obviously, where you when someone is something is searching on Google or something, it will very help for that, for the SEO. Okay, and the finish part, submit. That's it, your course will be ready. And then here you can create course categories. Okay, so same like in the money making marketplace, for example, you can create like different kind of categories. Maybe you can make money with AI. Okay, there is also 5 courses inside. Make money with digital product selling, you can create multiple courses inside. That's kind of category creation here. So you can create category with thumbnails, and it will look like that. And you can see here. Okay, so basically these are the categories. It's powered by AI as well, advanced SEO tactics. Okay, so you can see the so these are the categories, and under the category, when we will add the course, you can choose the category from them. And yeah, you can also give a special coupons for your customers, so when they will add the coupon, they will get the discount. And it's a good strategy to give a good discount and good selling as well. You can your user can share the coupon to someone, so it will be like increasing your selling. So easily you can add coupon. It's very so which site you want to use, just give the coupon code, and then what discount percentage you want to give. Okay, and what is the expiry date of that. Okay, and now let's move to the PDF creator. This is the PDF creator option, where you can create PDFs, so no need to find any software to create PDFs. Okay, just put content, arrange accordingly, and the PDF will be ready. Okay, so create new PDF. You can just manually add content here and your PDF will be done. Okay, and here's the best part, which is a blog. Here's the blogs which I have already done, and you can add blogs, you can create blogs. Okay, you can edit blogs. For example, there is a deep dive into a world technology about this thumbnails and banners here. It's ready to read. Okay, so it's like a blog and it will look like that. This, see, this is looking very good. Nice. Okay, so yeah, these were the of this is the features of front end and the main part of the product. And also along with that, you will have the leads. So whenever your users purchasing, you are getting a proper segment. So for that, you can use even get response, active campaign, and MailChimp. So when user will sign up for your course, you can make the automation here, and you can just lead you can just get the lead from whatever you want. And if you want to sell any affiliate things, if you want to sell any other product or something, you can use your lead. So is here your subscribers and your leads will be come here. Okay, so you can even contact them. So leads basically when used for sign up, but yes, for the subscriber when you are using for um, courses. Okay, so also we are giving the payout setting where you can integrate PayPal and Stripe very easy. Just use the client ID and secret key. Also we will give the detailed training inside in the training area, so don't worry about that. It is very easy and just few steps it will be done. Okay, so all detailed training you will found in the training area. All right, so yeah, here's the sales report. When we are getting the sales and something, we can see the checkouts, like how many total amount is purchased. You can see the sales states as well. And here's the training section, here's the support section. You can just find out your trainings, click here and you can see. And yeah, if you want to use your own OpenAI API, then you can click OpenAI setting and you can use. So you can generate content without any limit, because on the premium we are giving some limitations, and in the other upgrades you will have the unlimited generation, unlimited course. Even you can create unlimited stores. Okay, so no capping, nothing, but you will found in the upgrades. It's totally clear. So yeah, you can use your own API, and that's it. So this was the overview of MiniCourse AI, and I highly recommend this to you. You can just try. Okay, we are here to help you. And in case if you don't found this helpful, just you can ask our support. Our team will help you out. Okay, and so guys, we are waiting for you here at the dashboard, and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you so much. Signing off, Dipankar Rajana.